Welcome to our presentation on how associations and membership organizations can leverage the extensive features of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Many organizations have different islands of data, islands of processes, and islands of people. What I'm going to demonstrate to you is how you can bring together those three islands into one cohesive system. So with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, you are able to access the tools and the information over the web, natively right inside Microsoft Outlook, or through any mobile handheld device. For this demonstration, we have a list of members who are part of an association. I can quickly pull up information about a specific member and find out their name, their information, maybe what kind of membership type they have or their level, what their renewal fee is and renewal date, all that type of information that a membership organization needs to track. If the specifics of what you're looking to track aren't shown here on the screen, it is very easy for you to add and remove fields. So when I'm looking at a specific member, I can see down the side all their related information. Maybe there's a history of communication or of outstanding activities that I need to act on that haven't been executed yet. Or maybe I want to find out what sort of certifications this person uses, what their qualifications are or credentials. Are they part of a committee? I can find out what roles they play within our membership organization. Are there any financial transactions here? This information can seamlessly move back between any of your existing systems. Maybe your financial systems can populate and show all financial transactions right here. If you run events, maybe you run meetings or training seminars or trade shows, you can track which individuals of your association, which members, are attending which events. So not only can I track the members in our organization, but also prospective members. These are people who are interested in possibly joining. This is a great resource for your marketing team to leverage in sending out communications and updates and turning these prospects into new members. You're able to manage your information on distribution lists. With a click of a button, you can distribute an email or make phone calls or distribute tasks to all people who are parts of these distribution lists. You can also track service requests. If somebody calls in or sends an email or makes a request or support request online, then you can track all the information about that request here and allow your organization to manage it properly. On the membership side, as I've demonstrated, we can track members, businesses, or organizations. So maybe your organization has membership that are companies or businesses rather than individuals. You can manage committees, and you can look up and find out who sits on what committee, who the chair is, who are the members of this committee, and what positions do they hold. You can also figure out, well, when are some of the positions coming due? Sometimes you have a rotation cycle for your committee, and using the reporting capabilities, you're able to find out when you need to replace certain people on your committee. On the marketing side, we're able to track events, as I referred to previously. In this case, with this golf tournament event, it's very easy for me to create an event registration list, which will help greatly on the day of the event. Maybe on the membership side, I want to find out who needs to be renewed in the next month. I want to have a forecast of revenue. If I click on May, for example, you'll see I can pull up every member of our organization and what their fees will become due in May 2011. All this information and functionality is available on a handheld device and, as I said, through Outlook, and it integrates tightly with Microsoft products. I can export this data to Microsoft Excel if I feel comfortable massaging and working with reporting in Excel. I can also merge with Word for things like badges or mailing lists or printing labels or doing thank you letters. With one click, I can do a mail merge to hundreds of people. I can send mass emails to the whole list, to partial lists, to individuals. And on the marketing side, we're able to manage and work with campaigns, track when a campaign is going to start, what type of campaign it is, what the actual begin date is, Also, we can drill down on the financial side. What is the total cost of a campaign? How much have you budgeted? And what kind of return and ROI are you receiving? In this very quick demonstration, I have shown how a membership organization can manage their data, processes, and people with one centralized application.